For this program, we want to do a few things. We want to print fizz for every number that is a multiple of 3. So in the place of 3, we'll have fizz. In the place of 6, we'll have fizz. In the place of 9, we'll have fizz. We want to print buzz for every number that is a multiple of 5. So buzz in the place of 5, buzz in the place of 10. And we want to print FizzBuzz for every multiple of 3 and 5. So that would be FizzBuzz in the place of 15 and 30 and so on. We want to do that for numbers 1 to 100. So to do this, we're going to need a for loop which creates the variable FizzBuzz, and we're going to test the numbers 1 to 100. Next, we need an if statement. This if statement is going to test whether the number is a multiple of 3 and 5 by using the modulo operator. If there's no remainder, the condition is satisfied, and when it's satisfied, we're going to print the word FizzBuzz. And we have to add continue because we want to add some more conditional statements. Next, we need an elif statement, and that's going to test whether it's a multiple of 3. If it is, print the word fizz. And then we want to continue to test the next conditional statement, which is another elif statement, to test whether the number is a multiple of 5. If it is a multiple of 5, print the word buzz. Continue. Then if none of the above statements are satisfied, we just want to print the value, the number that is stored in the variable FizzBuzz. Okay, so now I'm going to run the program, and you can see that the terminal is displaying the correct information, and the logic we've written here is correct. So just as a test and example, when we take the number 1, the FizzBuzz is going to hold on to that number 1. It's going to be stored in the FizzBuzz variable. The number 1 will be tested on the first if statement. It does not satisfy that, so it will continue to this elif statement. It does not satisfy that, so it will continue to the next one. It doesn't satisfy that. It'll continue down here, and it will ultimately print the number 1, which is stored in the FizzBuzz variable.